How to sign up for My Drama application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you like watching Asian drama, K-dramas, or just exploring new entertainment apps, then you are in the right place. To sign up for My Drama, first of all download and install the My Drama application on your device and launch it open. After launching the app open, you'll see this kind of an interface. Click the Continue button to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Now from the home page, go to the bottom right and tap on Profile. Inside the Profile section, click on Sign In from the top. Now if you're signing up for the first time, then you'll need to tap on I don't have an account at the bottom. Click on that and then enter your email in the first field on the next page. After entering your email, create your password on the next field, re-enter the password once again in the last field, and finally click sign up. Once the sign up is successful, click continue, and then if you want to receive news or updates about the app, click on Sure, I'm in. If you don't want to receive that, click on I don't want to receive updates at the bottom, and there you go. That's how you create a new account or sign up for My Drama. Now you can start discovering your next favorite series. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.